I just discovered a new niche that is extremely viral these days. This niche is based on high-quality 2D animated content. Right now, 2D superhero animation is trending massively on social media. Marvel-style animated videos are getting millions of views within days. People love emotional, action-packed, and cinematic 2D animation stories. This type of content has huge demand on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. The best thing is that this niche is still growing very fast. Many creators are not aware of how powerful this niche really is. With the right characters and consistent animation style, videos can easily go viral. Storytelling plays a very important role in this niche. Strong emotions, dramatic scenes, and superhero action make viewers addicted. 2D animation also looks more attractive and unique than normal 3D videos. Marvel-style characters create instant connection with the audience. If we focus on character consistency, the brand value becomes very strong. This niche is perfect for faceless YouTube channels. AI tools make it easier to create professional 2D animated videos. With smart prompts and creative ideas, anyone can dominate this niche. This is not just a trend, it is a long-term opportunity. If we start now, we can grow faster than others. I believe this 2D animated Marvel-style niche has massive future potential. I just came to ChatGPT and wrote this message because I want to create the same type of 2D animated videos that I found in this viral niche. I want to make sure that the characters remain exactly the same in every video, with the same face, same outfit, same proportions, and the same animation style as that channel. I do not want any 3D animation at all, only high-quality 2D animation. I also pasted a screenshot of that channel so you can clearly understand the art style, character design, and overall visual quality. I want ChatGPT to analyze the style and give me professional advanced prompts within seconds, like magic. Please generate 10 to 12 powerful prompts that match the same 2D animated superhero style. Make sure every prompt maintains character consistency and visual identity. The prompts should be cinematic, emotional, action-packed, and visually attractive. They should look like Marvel-style 2D animated scenes, but still original and unique. I want these prompts to be perfect for AI tools that generate 2D animated videos. The quality should be high enough to create viral content on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Now let's move to the next step. Come to a website called Tomov AI. And trust me, this website is absolutely amazing. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Is this paid? No, I promised you something, and I'm keeping that promise. We are making this video completely free. So don't worry at all. This platform gives you powerful tools to generate videos, create images, animate characters, and access many other creative options, all in one place. And the best part, you don't need advanced skills, you don't need experience, and you definitely don't need money. Everything here is simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for people who are just starting out. We'll use this website step by step, slowly, so everyone can follow along. So relax. Just watch carefully, and let's turn your idea into a real animated video for free. Now just go to the login page, and here's the best part. You don't even need a Gmail account. Simply click on Create New, use a temporary email. Enter it, receive the verification code from the temp email. Paste the code, and bam, you're in. And guess what? They give you 80 free credits right away. Yes, 80 credits. That's enough to create 4 full videos. 1 email, 4 videos. And if you want more, you can repeat the same process again with another temp email and get more credits. Simple, smart, free. First, I tried the image option. I went to the image section, pasted my prompt, selected the size, chose the quality, and the result, honestly, amazing. It looked almost exactly like the channel I showed you at the beginning. So I tried another one. And again, the result was perfect. Same style, same vibe, same quality. This is where things get really interesting. Now come to the video section. This part is very important. Here you'll see 2 options, text to video and image to video. I chose image to video. I simply uploaded the image, pasted the prompt, and clicked Generate. And within 1 minute, yes, even on the free version, the AI created an amazing animated video. The style, the colors, the visuals, everything followed the prompt perfectly. No professional setup, no complex settings, no editing skills. Everything was already done for me. So I tried another prompt. This time, I also enabled sound effects, which only cost 10 extra credits. And the result? Honestly, it looked better than Veo 3 and Sora AI. Just watch this result carefully. Oh my God, what a result. And if you're still worried, don't be. I'm here. Just to prove this is real, I logged out of the account. Then I created a new account using a temp email again. And guess what? Boom, 80 credits again. So no, I'm not lying. This is not fake. People just don't understand how to use it properly. Please watch the video till the end. If you do, you'll fully understand exactly what I'm doing and how you can do it too. Just one important thing to understand. Free AI tools do not mean unlimited forever. Every platform needs to earn money to survive. But the smart way to use these tools is not by risking your personal email. You can simply use temporary emails, test the platform, learn the workflow, and create content without stress. So enjoy the process, learn the skills, and use the tools wisely. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications.
Hi, Tonto!